Three games will be contested on Wednesday's opening day of the Issa Flow Walker Cup quarterfinals, with doubleheader at Stadium East expected to provide fireworks. Karen Madden has our preview.
Walker Cup defending champions Kingston College and last year's beaten finalists Jamaica College in separate encounters. Jamaica College, fresh from seeing their 76-game unbeaten streak snapped by the Purples last Saturday, will be seeking to refocus their energies when they face St. Catherine High at 2 o'clock. St. Catherine will be motivated by the fact that they did not advance to the semi-finals of the Manning Cup and will be eyeing their first hold on the Walker Cup.
I said to the players from in July and August that we have a great chance of going a very far away in this competition in the Manning Cup. But we fell short, not making it to the semi-final, but we still have a glorious chance of going to the semi-final of the Walker Cup and into the Super Cup. So we are going there on Wednesday to give it a while.
The Dark Blues are insisting that they have shaken off last Saturday's 2-0 defeat by Kingston College in the Manning Cup and are bent on going a step further than they did last season.
We lost the game based on incidences or situations where we could have controlled and situations where we never exploited it. So at some point the record would have been broken, but we just have to put that behind us now. The most important thing is that we are still in contention for all competitions, and that is the focus now.
The day's second encounter will be a North Street derby as neighbour St. George's College and Kingston College renew rivalry. Both camps claim the outcome of the pre-season clash with St. George's 1 is in their rearview mirror. But old passions could reignite as the encounter could see 3 former KC players turning out for the Light Blues. St. George's have not yet sealed their place in the Manning Cup Final 4, but coach Neville Bell remains unbothered.
Not at all, not at all. I mean, it's just taking us a little longer than I thought. We haven't done badly. We've played, 15 games, we've only lost 1. We've won 10, and we've had 11 clean sheets. So we're doing pretty decently. I think we're getting some licks because they're not seeing this marquee player that we normally have who will flick it over somebody's head and put it through somebody's legs. But we're playing as a team, and we're a confident bunch. We're fighters. I said that in a previous interview. We don't give up.
KC are the defending champions, and according to coach Ludlow Bernard, they are eyeing all prizes on offer.
We are going for all that is at stake, and as I said before, the attractiveness of the Flow Super Cup makes it very interesting for us. As a matter of fact, remember now we are the defending champions for the Walker Cup, so clearly we would want to seek to retain our title there. We all know the main emphasis will be on the Manning Cup, but I think we have a good unit that is capable of scalping all in front of us.
Only the 4 semi-finalists in the Walker Cup will contest the lucrative Flow Super Cup, and it's added motivation for Holy Trinity and St. Andrew Technical, who will contest the day's other game at the Constant Spring Field at 2:30. Holy Trinity grabbed a spot in the Manning Cup semi-finals, while Stats are still locked in a battle with St. George's for the last 4. On Thursday, days after Bridgeport defeated Calabar 3-1 in the Manning Cup, the two will face off at Constant Spring Field at 2:30 in the battle of schools knocked out of the Manning Cup at the quarter-final stage. TVJ will have a live broadcast of the Stadium East doubleheader on Wednesday. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.